Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I have a get ready for you guys. Unfortunately I lost the footage of me putting my makeup on, so this video has become a hair get ready with me. So I already blow dried and brushed my hair multiple times, so I have almost no curls left. And then I'm taking my straighteners and I'm going through my hair, turning the straighteners inwards, as you can see. And of course, before I do that, I put on some heat protection. And when I'm done with one part of my hair, I put the part back and begin straightening the next part of my hair. And I always make sure that I'm putting enough heat protection in my hair so I won't damage my hair. When I'm reaching the end of my hair, I kind of twist the straighteners, kind of turning them away from me, if that makes sense. And you can see it, unfortunately, but it creates a nice little curl at the end of my hair. And I always brush my hair in between the straightening parts to make sure it is easier for me to get rid of my curls and to make it easier for me to straighten them. So yeah, that's how I did my hair. Maybe we can talk about my makeup for a second. I wanted to keep it pretty neutral and I decided to go for a pinky tone because I was wearing a gray dress for this event. And for my lips I decided to go with a pretty pinky nude, but you will see the lipstick later. And yeah, that's what it looked like when I was done.